Page 10, He Came. Let's just cover a few things here. It's in 4/4 time. Dynamic is P for soft. That's the melody that's soft. So everything else has to be softer than that. Here in this piece, the melody is the right hand. So the right hand's soft, the left hand has to be really soft. I could say very soft, but I have to be different. It's really soft. It's interesting on this one that they put the words above the staff. Normally when they have words to a piece of music, they put the words between the staves and they just spread the staves apart. But here, they're putting the words above the staff. Just in case you're wondering, what happened to the words? That's what's going on. They could have put them between the staves. Does that make any sense at all? I don't know. I'm still working on my 3rd or 4th cup of coffee. I'm not sure yet. It's starting to get a little trickier. We're playing the hands more and more at the same time. Let's take a look here. For instance, in the first line, the last 2 measures, you're playing both hands at the same time, but the left hand just has whole notes. So you're playing. You're going to hold the left hand down for 4 counts. Like so. Well, look at the second line, last measure. Now the left hand has a dotted half note, so it's only going to be held down for 3 counts. It's like the E. And then it comes up with the right hand, and the right hand plays that G by itself. Then in the last line, now we come in here, 2, 3. And then the last 2 measures, now the left hand just has quarter notes, quarter rest. So they're getting a little trickier on the hands playing together. Now on this phrasing, the slur line, you're going to connect the whole first line together as best you can. You're going to do the second line together as best you can, except for the last note. It's a new phrase. So on the last measure of the second line, the E, lift up before you play the G. So there's a little silence. You're just lifting up and down. In the last line, you've got several of these, and you're going to connect them. Between each one, you just lift up and down. 1, 2, 3. Generally with a 2-note slur, it's down, up, down, up, down, up. Some teachers will teach that if it's a 2-note slur, you play the second note staccato. I don't teach that. I don't agree with it. Many times you do, but not always. And in here, I would not play them staccato. Staccato, it would be like this. And I disagree with that. So I'm going to hold it out. But I'm going to separate it before I play the next G. I want some silence. Like so. Start out soft. That's the melody. Left hand's going to be really soft. I said all that before. And then the last note on the second line, now you're loud. That's the melody. So the left hand's going to be softer than that, whatever it is. You decide what it is. Now, there is a note at the bottom of the page saying that this piece can be played as a round, because this is a rather famous melody for a round. And if you have multiple pianos, if it's a class situation or whatever, you simply have each new person come in 2 measures after the previous person started. And you repeat it. You can do it if you're going to have 2 players do it, you repeat once, so you play it twice. If you're going to have 3, go through it 3 times. If you're going to have 4, go through it 4 times total on that. So let's try this out slowly together. 4/4 time will give us 4 counts. We're still in C position. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4.